Wow, guys, over there the classics Roy Ghosts. For the luxury sedans. Amazing, guys. Wow, guys, another BMW 1 Series 2026 model, guys. This one is the gorgeous two-tone colors. Wow, next to it is the XPeng Sedans. Wow. Wow, guys. Look at an incredible road present, guys. Unbelievably amazing. Beautiful. Wow, guys, over there, nice Maybach V12. A little bit of 680, guys. Amazing. Wow, guys, over there on the other side is a Maybach luxury sedan. BMW Sedans, new 2026 model. Got an incredible road present. Amazing. Wow, guys, ultimate Maybach. Wow. That's 580, guys. Beautiful. Wow, guys, nice feeling for the fire. Oh, that's cool. Beautiful. Followed by a Mercedes Triton. Wow, guys, over there on the other side is the XPeng luxury, I believe to be the luxury sport car. Luxury sport car, and it is a fully electric one. Nice. XPeng S1. Nice. The new Tesla Model Y, guys. 2026 model. Wow, incredible Bentley Flying Spur, guys. Nice. Over there on the other side, gorgeous white nice S-Class, guys. I believe the S560. Nice. Calm accelerations in the middle of the city. Nice. Wow, guys, over there on the other side coming is the BMW 4 Series, guys. No, it's not, sorry. It's the RS7 or an A7, guys. Or maybe the A8. Nice. Wow, guys, over there on the other side coming is the Nissan's luxury sedan, fully electric sedan, guys. Nice. It's coming. This is a Prius, hybrid sedans. Wow, guys, we're in ultra luxury sedan. Wow. BMW Series 2026 model. Another turbo road present. Beautiful. Wow, guys, what kind of ultra luxury sedan is that? Never seen it before. Maybe it's a new model, guys. Oh, it is a Genesis. Look futuristic. Wow, guys, where on the other side is the Xiaomi. I believe to be the user vans. No, not the user van, it is the Suzuki Vans Max with the electric sedans. C300s. A little bit the 2020. No, it is the CLA 45S, guys. Nice. Yeah, guys, over there in the old classics. Ultra luxury sedan, Mercedes. Don't know what kind of series is that, but for the V12 on the side. Wow, another ultra luxury sedan, Tesla Model 3, guys. Nice. Wow, guys, over there an ultra luxury sedan. Maybach. Maybach view. Look at that. Amazing. Yeah, guys, over there on the other side is a nice Mercedes C300 while luxury sedan. Wow, incredible wild luxury sedan. Maybach V12 S680 two-tone color, guys. Wow, guys, right on the side is an Audi wild luxury sedan. This will be the A7, guys. Wow, guys, over there an ultra luxury sedan. This is the SUV. Mercedes S-Class S500, guys. New model. Wow. Beautiful wild luxury sedan. The Honda Civic. This is the 2025 model, guys. Next to a Prius. Wow, guys, over there on the other side, some Mercedes coming. Is that an S-Class or C-Class, guys? I think that is most likely a C-Class. A nice wild luxury sedan. Wow. Look at that, an incredible road presence. Cool. Nice. Amazing, guys. Wow, guys. Over there on the other side is an incredible ultimate wild luxury sedan. Wow. The new 2026 BMW 7 Series 740i, guys. Wow. Cool. Wow, guys, another wild luxury sedan. That is the Avatar. I believe to be this row 6 or this row 7, guys. Wow, look at that beautiful, incredible road presence, guys. Nice. Beautiful. Wow, guys, nice wild luxury sedan. Tesla Model 3. Wait for it, guys. Wait for it. It is on the other side of the black color with the red stripe or red accents. Nice.